I'll demonstrate syslog forwarding from Element Software or SolidFire to an external host. So this is a singleton demo cluster running in a virtual machine. I have no volume, so I'll create one for demonstration purposes. Once that is done, I can move on to the rest of the stack, which consists of a single Linux host running the IP.146. So I set SolidFire using the set remote logging host API to send logs to this Linux host, and then on the host itself I can monitor and watch this file, which is being updated many times per second, even when the SolidFire cluster is idle. Obviously I might not want to keep all of the logs. I want only certain types, so I can filter either while they're incoming or while they're being forwarded, as is the case here. And then once I filter these calls, I can start my forwarder, and it will send logs to Elastic every few seconds depending on your settings. In Elastic, I would have an index. Yours might be named differently. That would show these events as they come in. So for the purposes of orientation in time, let's just take a look at the time. So UTC, 58 minutes and 56 seconds past the hour. Here in the web browser it's different, it's local time, 58 minutes, last event. And API calls are being gathered as expected. So now at this point I can do something and check whether it's being logged in Elastic. So I deleted the volume, I can refresh my index, and then because there are so many events, I might need to scroll up and down a little bit to find it, but eventually I can find this entry where the message contains a delete volume event, which was indeed sent around the time when I ran it. So it was done at 59 minutes and 16 seconds past the hour. Delete volume method from this IP and by the user that I was using in Firefox. So normally I'd like to decompose JSON from message and be able to search by keys and values, but this is a simple way that can be done quickly and can help you archive logs in an external host.